My name is Jyoti Kumari Mishra from class 10th B. First of all, I would like to thank Joshna ma'am for giving me this opportunity to make a DIY respiratory system. So in this video, I will be doing three things. First, I will explain you how I made this respiratory system. Then I will explain you the concept behind this respiratory system. And third, I will explain you the full respiratory system model. So I have used 2 straws, 2 balloons, 1 cardboard and 1 A4 size sheet. So first you have to give a shape to the cardboard along with the respiratory system. Then you have to paste 2 balloons on both the sides. Then you have to paste 1 straw in this position, and that's how the respiratory system will get completed. The concept behind this respiratory system is, you can see that whenever the air present around us go into our body, so the volume of the lungs increases. Same is happening here. When the air will go inside the straws, so the pressure of the volume of these balloons will increase, and they are working as a lungs in this model. So this was the concept behind this respiratory system. Now let me explain you this whole respiratory system. Our respiratory system starts from nasal passage, contains noses, nostrils. Now you can see that hairs are present in our nose. Why the hairs are present? Because the air that is around us, that rushes inside our body, has some harm things like virus, bacteria, etc. that are harmful for us or useless for human beings. So the mucus or the hair present in the nose prevent to go these harmful things into our body. Now we have to go with this pharynx. Pharynx is basically a tube-like structure which continues after nostrils. After pharynx we have larynx. Larynx is basically a sound box and it continues after pharynx. Then you can see this green color structure. I have pasted a green sheet over here. This is the trachea and it is also known as rings of cartilage. This is composed of rings of cartilage or cartilaginous rings, and it prevents the collapse of trachea in the absence of air. Because if this will not be there, so because of the suffocation, the person will die at that time only. After that we have 2 lungs. Then after trachea, bronchi is being continued. Bronchi is continued in the further 2 lungs. A pair of bronchi come out from the trachea. Then we have bronchioles. Bronchioles is divided into bronchioles in these 2 lungs, in both the lungs. And after that we have alveoli in the end basically. And this is like a flower type like structure. There are air sacs at the end of the bronchioles. And alveoli consists of a very thin membrane, and it is place where the exchange of gases takes place. So let me repeat the full for you. Nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, and in the last we have alveoli. And that's how our respiratory system is being completed. So that was the full explanation of the respiratory system. I hope that I was being able to make you explain the full respiratory system, and I want to thank my teacher, biology teacher, for clearing these concepts very nicely so that I was being able to make this video. Thank you so much.